Started the recording. Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. I hope the people can hear me properly and see the screen as well properly. Confirm yes or no. Okay. Question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle form. Clear? PQRS are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD, and AD. Clear? Make sure you mark the midpoints properly. Is it clear? Since they are the midpoints, so our first job will be find the midpoints. I don't think finding midpoints will be a big issue for anyone. Is it? Simple, right? This plus this by 2 minus 1. This plus this by 2, 3 by 2. Clear? Is the midpoint clear? Now you'll have to search that, look for if PQRS formed is a square, rectangle, rhombus. Which of these figure is PQRS? So first of all, you have to calculate PQ, RS, QR, and PS. These four needs to be calculated. Based on this, we will move our calculations further. Hurry up, everyone! Try it out and tell me what is the distance PQ, RS, QR, and PS. I hope people have understood calculation of midpoints is not a big problem out here. Just add up this two, draw this figure and write the midpoints. Midpoints formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Then go on to calculate these four distances and tell me what is it. Will be given exactly 2 minutes. Then I'll solve it. I'm pausing the video for you to try it out now. I hope people have got the answers. All are root 61 by 4. Is everybody getting all the distances as root over 61 by 4? All the distances will be root over 61 by 4. Now there's one more confusion out here, whether it could be a square or a rhombus. So we'll calculate diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. I need the distances, lengths of diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. You'll say, so what is diagonal 1? Diagonal 1 is PR. And diagonal 2 is how much? SQ. Tell me if both the diagonals are equal or not. Then tell me the conclusion. Root 6, PR is 6 and SQ is 5. So what do we conclude from here? Then the diagonals are not equal. Therefore, this has to be a what kind of a figure? Rhombus? Yes or no? It is a rhombus. We directly see out here that the length of QS is 5 and the length of PR is 6, which is absolutely not equal by any chance. Clear? Did everybody understand this question properly? Please let me know. Yes or no, class? Hurry up. If you want some time to copy, we can wait. Done. Okay then. Now give the next topic as MCQs. Your favorite portions, MCQs. Now we'll start off with MCQs. Next topic, MCQs. Yeah, MCQs based on coordinate geometry. Can you see the first question? Please copy the first question properly. Copy the question and just write the answers. No need of copying the options. You do not have to copy the questions. Just don't copy the options. Just copy the questions and write the answers. 4 points are given. You have to tell what kind of a figure it is. Do it very nicely because there's a huge kind of confusion out here. I'm pausing the video. Your answer will be it's a square and not a rhombus, since all the sides will happen to be same and the diagonals are also same. Clear? Can anybody tell me what are the lengths of the diagonals? Let's see. What is the length of the diagonal? 4. Root 8 is what? Length of the diagonals are 4. Very good. Why root 8? Lengths of the sides are 2 root 2 or root 8 and length of the diagonal is 4. Clear? Can you move on to the next one? Yes, the distance between these 2 points is equal to 5. I need the value for x. Hurry up, pretty easy question. Copy the question, don't skip the questions, keep these questions properly. This numericals might come in handy in your exams, because we'll try to cover most type of MCQs. Let's see who can answer. Let's see first 3 students who want to answer. Who can answer this? Distance between 2 points AB is given to us as 5. You have to find the value for x. No answer still now. Still have time, fast. Apply the distance formula, square both the sides. 25 is equals to 25, 24, x minus 2 is x plus 2 whole square is 24. Break it down. X is equals to C, 2. Option A or B? Do it very carefully. Option A or B? 2. So I've got the majority as 2. Answer is 2. Clear? I hope there was no problems doing this numerical. Just put AB is equals to 2. Sorry, 5. Okay? Square this both the thing, because there will be a root over here. You'll have 1 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square is equals to 25. X plus 2 whole square will be equals to 24, and then you know what the calculations you have to do. Acha, this will be 9. This plus this. This will be 16. Clear? This will be 4, then 2. Clear, everyone? The answer could have been minus 2 also. Now you will say how? I hope this step is clear to everyone. Clear, yes or no? 16. Then we will take square root both the sides. X plus 2 will be equals to plus minus 4. Yes or no? Please tell me yes or no. Yes? Then one answer for x will be 4 minus 2 and the other answer will be minus 4 minus 2. Answer will be minus 6 and 2. Nobody told me sir minus 6 because there wasn't an option. Now if I would have twisted the answer options like say 2, B is 6 comma minus 6 and 2, C is minus 6 and D is 2. Which option will you go by? Yes, which option will you go by? You would straight away go by option B. If you go by option C, or in case you go by option D, you will be wrong, because this is the particular value for your question number 2. Is this numerical clear to everyone? Yes, no, please confirm. I would expect you to copy this. Hurry up, please copy it down. And people who are done with this, question number 3 is eagerly waiting for you all. Question number 3 will be a option C. Although the answer was visible, but I don't think you required the answer, because this plus this by 2 will give you 0, and we see only x coordinate out here. 0 is option number C. We will directly go with option number C. Is this numerical clear to everyone? The midpoint one, I don't think anything is more simple in this chapter other than finding the midpoints. Should we move on to the next question? Yes or no? Please confirm. Yes? No? Should we or should we not, class? Okay. Question number 4 now. Majority will make a mistake in this numerical. Majority. Option A. Option A. Anyone else would like to answer? Option A. A. Anantajit for A. Bodhisattva is from B. So will Bodhisattva go with B or A? Bodhisattva is also going with A. You have gone against your name. Anyone else? I want everybody to try this. When I say majority will make a mistake, now the majority of the class has made a mistake. The majority of the class, they have made a mistake. Should I draw this point? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear. Will the point lie somewhere around here? Just tell me yes or no. Can you tell me the distance of this point from x-axis? Yes, Bodhisattva, now you're changing it to B. Surya also changes it to B. Anandajit also changes it to B. Did everybody understand where did you go wrong? When I gave you a hint that majority of the class will go wrong, dhum, people are answering 2, 2, 2. Did everybody understood? Confirm yes or no. Answer. Yes or no? Option B is the correct answer. I would want you to copy this figure also, so that the figure gets embedded in your brains. Draw this figure and let me know if you are good to go to the next numerical. चलो, अरे न न न न न क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 now. तेरी done. I have the answers from people. 2 root 10. Yes, students have got the answer 2 root 10. 2 root 10 will happen to be the correct answer because no such fishy thing was there in this question. Everything was very normal. Now, can we move on to the next question 6? I would expect people to copy the question at the same hand. Make sure you copy the question. Very interesting question. A bit of twist is there, but I don't think that twist will matter to you all. Option B. For this one. Question number 6. Question number 6. Value for P. Is it 12? Minus 12? We'll wait for more students to answer. Shield. Option B. Value for P. We'll look very carefully. Option B is the correct answer. Very good. I hope this numerical was understood by everyone. Yes. Now we have question number 7. Hurry up. Give it a shot. Question number 7. The points which divides the line segment in the ratio of 2:3. Points are given. I don't think this will be a big problem for you all. It will be your left hand's work. Option B. Option D. Surya has answered option D. is the correct one. Very good, Surya. Now that will be the wrapping up for today's class.